going because he's got a four-wheel drive or something. I don't know.
But he shouldn't drive because he may cause accident, right?
Yeah, maybe he didn't want to get stuck in the middle. And besides, when this guy comes, I'm gonna have to move to the right, which is not going to be easy.
Why?
Because
we're in the middle?
Yeah, we're in the middle.
Just slow down.
Yes, I'm slowing down. There you go.
It's worse here.
Yeah.
Like compared like the road near our house. We should not go.
We just drive carefully. Maybe because it's hitting underneath, I'm afraid it's gonna break something. Something definitely happened here. I wonder if we're gonna be able to cross.
There's something like stuck thing. There's some
There's
stop
cars,
sign.
yeah. There's cars everywhere.
Yeah.
If we have to go around. I don't know if he's gonna let us through.
I turned it
Yeah. Oh my god, this is a bad crash.
Oh my god, this one is good.
Yeah.
A lot of crash.
Yeah.
They crashed like how do you call that kind of crash?
A head-on.
Head-on
They
collision.
crashed head-on.
How?
Probably because they were driving too close. Because see how the middle is like on the right. Like I'm driving on the left side right now. No, maybe I'm not. I don't know. It's hard to say. Oh, this is the middle here. So I'm just going in the right now. So,
Oh, there's a car there.
he should be waiting for me. We better wait.
We're going to Walmart. In the Philippines, when the weather is like this, we need to buy a lot of chips.
Okay.
Yeah, we need to buy a lot of chips. So in Southeast is better than here in Northeast,
Yeah.
right? Because in our outside of my work, it's not that much snow.
No, it's just today here. We get more snow in this part of the city.
But last the winter we don't get enough that much snow. But Southeast got a lot of snow.
I guess it's different every time it snows. It's a big, very, very big city.
Oh, it's so beautiful. I bet it's
Our backyard is like this. You'll see it when
it's
we go home.
frozen. Like it's not frozen, but it's like the kind of snow that I like. But I don't like it on the road. Like it's too slurry. Like what you call that? Slurpy. Like slurpy. Slurp. Look how many snow. Oh, we're walking on the snow. Slushy snow. Yeah. in Canada, there's no summer at all. And it's just like a week of spring, and here you go, winter again. Oh no, look at that. Look how bad is the road. Our car slip.
And I already swapped out some of my winter tires for the all season ones.
Oh, you are in four-wheel drive?
Yeah,
right?
we're on 4-wheel drive right now, so at least we have that. I'm pretty sure it looks bad. I don't know.
Yeah, it look like not
So
deep.
look, the left, like the other side, there's
Yeah.
nobody drove there. It's like,
But it's a lot of snow. Like, oh, there's no more. They removed the accident.
the accident was a little bit further up, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe they cleared it, but it's that would be pretty fast. There's something on the road. Oh no, that's a sign on the other side. Oh, maybe you're right. They removed the accident. Yeah, I don't see them here anymore. No, just look at the sparks underneath. Did you catch the sparks?
I don't know. Look at the hand. It looked like 3D, like.
Oh, they left both cars. They just left them here.
The thing that crashed.
Head-on collision.
Hope that the driver there is all fine. Even though like it's slow, like look at the damage. I feel like they're driving fast.
Probably wasn't slow. It doesn't look like it was slow.
Yeah.
Like this damage, probably at the moment of impact, they were going combined 50 kilometers an hour. So the one maybe going 30, the other one 20.
Oh, slow down, baby. I see some lights.
Yeah. Yeah, I see them too.
But
They will.
let's be careful if they are not careful.
Yeah. Slow down, 'cause you never know. Now move
And
way
you know-
to the right here, just
You
so.
know how the snow there, like. But it cleaned up a little.
Yeah, the truck did clean up.
Because when we're coming here, I cannot see the road, like it's full
Yeah.
of snow.
Yeah, the truck did clean up.
That's good. Yeah, but he turned here. That's why he left the mess.
Yeah.
He didn't clean up. Oh, only this road, but this road is still not cleaned up.
There was another crash here. Let's see if there's still. But those guys are probably already gone.
Yeah, we are the Marites of Canada. We are the Mare, what is latest? We're spying what's happening. What's the latest?
I cannot believe that.
Oh, he cleaning the snow. He's a snow.
No, he's not cleaning anything.
Oh, yeah.
He's probably going to the accident there.
Oh, there's an accident.
Yeah, but I'm gonna
Is that the
pass.
same? Is that the same accident that?
That is, I think, the
Different,
same accident. Yeah. Unless there are more people involved by now.
Why? It's just
Do
the
you remember
same.
that?
Also, when we came, it's just a fresh.
Yeah, the two people
Fresh
in the
fruit.
middle.
But how it happened? Look, the other one is on the other side, way on the other. So the other one came on the other road.
I have no idea. No idea what happened. And how it happened. It's actually pretty hard to get out of the trucks.
Because it will. See, only one lane. It's supposed to be 2 lane, right?
Oh, there's the second lane. We're gonna have to wait for a little bit here.
A lot of snow. A lot of snow. There's a lot of snow here in our place. Why? Pwede mo dito white jacket. Storm.
I should have tried to clean the wiper so you can see there.
This is our neighborhood. Neighborhood full of snow. La 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 la. Look at the fire.
Oh my god, it's a lot of snow. Yeah, it's probably more than 20 centimeters for sure. Yeah.
Oh, look at it's snowstorm, no? Because look at the fence of the neighbor. I never see that kind of fence during winter. Look at them. Look at the pond. Why it look like there's an eyes and nose. Oh my god. How can I go inside? Look how deep. Oh my god.
How are you gonna go to work tomorrow?
How even can go inside the house? You need to poke some. Why you didn't shovel?
Yeah, that's.
Oh, look at our fence. I never see this guy. Oh, look at the roof. Oh, so beautiful. Look. Oh my god. Ay, baby! Mhm.
Okay, I need space.
Wait.
Go.
Look. Look how deep. I never experienced this kind of like deep so.
Remember the one time? You don't push the door?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Go! This isn't not gonna open anymore.
In the Philippines, deep water here. I'm buried with the snow. I cannot move. Where It doesn't get...
Oh, but look at the lights. Show the light over there.
The lights, oh, it's so good. Here in Canada, you will go under the snow.
That's how you do it, babe. You just go.
Yeah, but I cannot go like that. See? Oh, this is so beautiful.
I'm gonna try to shovel here a little bit because this is a heavy snow.
It goes inside my...
Our deck might break on the way.